Hi, Brandon Lewis here of Embedded Computing Design, and we're back at Computex Taipei 2019, and we're here at the Innodisk booth, which is in Hall 1 of the Nangang Convention Center, booth K0806. And I'm here with Color Cheng, who is a product manager from Product Marketing Manager here at the company. How are you doing, Color?
I'm doing good. Yourself?
Doing really well, thanks. So one of the big focuses at the show is AIoT, but I really wanted to get your take on what AIoT is and what it means to Innodisk.
For AIoT, of course, that we got to have the integration within the intelligence, the artificial technology. But the thing is that everything we're gonna connect through the internet. So the thing is that we do have our smart components within the memory module. So I'm gonna show you more technology within our AIoT smart components.
Very good. So let's go take a look at some of your product demonstrations you have going on. Over here, it looks like we have a textiles demonstration going on. Can you tell me what's happening here?
Yeah, so we do have the GPU edge computing live demo, so it can benefit the production and also the quality, so make the manufacturing can be more efficient. Yeah.
Great. So another thing is when we're talking about AIoT, right now it looks like a lot of the demonstrations you have are vision-based, but I always think of Innodisk as a storage company. What does storage have to do with any of this?
Yeah, well, it really depends on different scenario because let's say for the applications, the scenario or context will be different. For example, for the smart factory, the production efficiency maybe is the one thing, or if the in vehicle, maybe the components itself, the reliability will be very challenging. For example, maybe they will require the higher quality within the EMI and ESD or some anti-shock vibration things. But the thing is that can enable the components parts and complete within the system itself the reliability. Yeah.
Very good. So we know that you have some couple of really cool demos here, but what about actual applications in the real world? Has Innodisk been deploying AIoT technology in real use cases?
Yeah, just similar to the case within the smart transportation. Actually, we do have a successful cases have a speccing and designing in some autonomous car. They will do the food delivery just like Uber Eats, they do the same thing. But the thing is that we still consider the reliability and security and even the quality of the performance of the stage itself, because we consider everything gonna connect within through the internet. So we see the management efficiency and also improve the way that we doing better. Yeah.
Very good. Well, thanks a lot, Color. We really appreciate it. If you happen to be at Computex 2019, make sure you stop by Nangang Convention Center Hall 1, booth K0806, and check out a lot of the cool stuff that Innodisk is doing here around AIoT and smart storage technology. Thanks a lot for watching, and have a good day.